Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw in color Bluey and her family. Let's draw Bingo. I start with her eyes, then I draw her nose like this. And her smiling mouth, I draw the shape of her head. Bingo is Bluey's younger sister. She is 4 years old. Then I draw her ears in the shape of a triangle. And her eyebrows too. I draw her arms. We continue with her body. She is holding her arms like this. I'm going to draw Bluey. I start with her eyes, then I draw her nose like this. And her smiling mouth. Then I draw her ears in the shape of a triangle. And her eyebrows too. Now we continue with her body. I draw her arms. Finally, I draw his patches around his body. Let's draw Bluey's dad. His name is Bandit. I draw his eyes. His nose with smiling mouth like this. I draw his eyebrows and rectangle ears. He is an archaeologist and he loves to dig up bones. I draw his arms like this. Finally, I draw his patches around his body. I'm going to draw her mom. Her name is Chile. I start with her eyes, her nose, and her smiling mouth. I draw the shape of her head and her eyebrows too. Then I draw her ears in the shape of a triangle. Finally, I draw his patches around his body. I draw her arms. A blanket. And then the pillow. Now let's decorate it with this wooden design. Let's draw the bed. Wonderful! Let's start coloring. Let's color Bingo. I use this brown marker around her eyes and also for her ears. I'm going to use cream around the nose and also on his eyebrows. Black for nose. Finally, I use this light brown marker. And light skin color for her hands, patches. Let's color the Bluey. I use dark blue around his eyes for his ears. I use light skin color around her nose and eyebrows. Finally, I use this light blue marker for her. And light blue color for her hands, patches, and also for inner ears. Let's color Bandit. I use dark blue around his eyes for his ears. And light skin color for his inner ears and around the nose. Black for nose. And light blue color for his body. Let's color Chili. For her ears, I use dark brown. I use this brown marker around her eyes. I use this light cream color marker. Black for nose. Finally, I use this light brown marker. She has the same color fur as Bingo. I'm going to color the pillow with this parrot green marker. Purple marker for the bed. going to add some yellow on it. Then I use red for the blanket. And yellow for the bedsheet. I love it! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.